Dry Underfloor Heating Installation. Wooden flooring. EarthMother materials and tools. Subfloor preparation. Level the floor with self-leveling compound before installation. Remove all dust and debris. Remove and smooth out any high spots. Flatness check. Check floor flatness with a straight edge. Ensure the floor deviation is no more than 3 mm over 2 meters to meet wooden flooring requirements. Insulation panel installation. Install EVA Edge Strips along the walls. Apply adhesive to the subfloor. Fully bond the insulation panels. Use manifold transition panels or multi-slot panels around manifolds and dense pipe areas. For complex layouts, use XPS flat panels with the electric foam grooving cutter. Pipe installation. Lay pipes into the grooves and release pipe tension. Avoid sharp bends, kinks. Tap raised pipes flush with a wood block and rubber mallet. Secure lifted bends with fiberglass mesh tape if needed. Seal panel joints with tape for enhanced thermal insulation. Proceed only after the pressure test passes. Wooden flooring installation. Lay 3 mm Perforated XPS Underlayment directly on the panels. Keep underlayment joints 90 to the pipe direction. Install the underlayment and click flooring together.